What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we are focusing back on season 3, which is our new business spotlight, which we try to hit at least once a month. In today's episode, we're focusing in on a company called FETTI SAYS. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, you guys. And if you do like beard product reviews, I really do think that this is a channel you need to be subscribed to. I can say that. I really do think that this channel has a lot to offer everybody. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button down below. Get all the good stuff that comes off this channel. All that stuff is now out of the way. Let's go ahead and dive into the review. So let's go ahead and talk about the beard oil from FETTI SAYS, you guys. It does come in a 2-ounce and a 4-ounce bottle with a standard dropper top on top of it. The scent that I'm going over today is the brand new Black Rose scent. There are 3 scents total on the website. Each scent does have a different carrot oil blend in it, so I can really only tell you about the one that I have. Now, this carrot oil blend does consist of hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, rose hip oil, sunflower oil, 24 karat gold flakes, and essential oils. That's right, 24 karat gold flakes are in this beard oil. From what I can tell from the research I've done, gold really does have a property for being on the skin, has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, which are great for your skin benefits. Now, as far as the rest of the carrot oil blend, I didn't have any problems with the feel-in beard. It felt great, did a great job of going into my beard and apparently into my skin as well. Now, don't worry, you aren't gonna have gold in your beard when you use this, when you get it out of the dropper. The gold flakes do dissolve, but I do know a lot of people are probably like, man, if I had gold in my beard, that would be the most ballin' thing ever. So not for me, but I do know a lot of people are like, yo, I would be totally into having gold in my beard. So maybe that'll come down the road one day. I have no idea. But I think it's a great thing that FETTI is bringing to the bearded community with having the gold flakes in the beard oil. Something unique, something I've never seen. So from the beard oil perspective, it looks really great for FETTI SAYS. Now, if you're thinking about getting anything from FETTI SAYS, just go ahead and use promo code ATB20. That's going to get you 20% off of your order. And we're also doing a giveaway on this channel. Now, we're going to be giving away a combo of Black Rose. We're going to give the beard oil and the beard butter away. We're going to do this in 2 weeks and draw the winner. To win it, all I want you guys to do is in a comment by itself, I want you to comment Black Rose, all caps. That's all you got to do. In 2 weeks from now, I'm going to pin the winner up top. I'll try to get a hold of you that way, and we will go ahead and get all this stuff out to you so you can go ahead and rock some FETTI SAYS. So the scent profile for Black Rose, you guys, is a sweet champagne with a cinnamon-like balance. Now, when you think cinnamon, I know you're thinking Big Red, Fireball, stuff like that. But when I smell this, you guys, it's more of a vanilla cinnamon caramelized, like a dessert cinnamon roll type of a scent. It's really well put together. I don't get a whole lot of sweet champagne out of the beard oil, but it did last 6 to 8 hours. It was not a very bold scent. It was really sweet, but it was enough where I just enjoyed it. People around me really didn't pick it up at all. But the beard oil, like I said, felt great in beard. I didn't have any problems with it. And if you're into a really sweet scent, like a dessert cinnamon roll, vanilla with cinnamon, anything like that, I think you would really enjoy Black Rose. So we also have the beard butter to go over, you guys. It comes in a 2-ounce and a 3-ounce container. To me, this is a lightly poured beard butter, has a little bit of body, but comes out of the container extremely easy. It emulsifies fast in your hands. Felt great in beard. I did get the conditioning and nourishment that I look for in a beard butter from this beard butter from FETTI SAYS. Now, the scent, it was really the polar opposite from the beard oil for me personally. I get a lot of the sweet champagne on the beard butter, but not a whole lot of the cinnamon. But I did mix them both together when I wore it, so I think I did get the embodiment of what Black Rose is really meant to smell like. But yeah, I didn't have any problems with it. It smelled great. It felt great in beard. I know he has those other scents on his website, and I really do want to try them out and see how they smell and feel in beard, because like I said, the carrot oil blend is different on them, and I'm sure he's going to have more scents coming out throughout 2021. So I'm excited for FETTI and FETTI SAYS and seeing what he has to offer. So go ahead, you guys, enter that giveaway. Use that discount code if you visit the website. I think you will enjoy FETTI SAYS. I'll see you guys in the next episode, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.